the truth.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. ItzVenomYTX here today, back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to have a good username for your YouTube channel fast and easy in 2020. Because I made a tutorial on this one last year and I wanted to make an updated tutorial for you guys because I know there's going to be a lot of YouTubers going to need this for their YouTube channel. And personally, I don't have a good username and I should have thought about that when I started the channel, but I didn't. So I'm going to give you guys the tips and tricks on how to have a good username. So before we get into the video, make sure you drop a big thumbs up to this video. Let's smash 120 likes for this video. Let's smash 120. Because unlike into the venomous and killing game, you guys have killed the like game recently and I appreciate you guys' support, your massive support for the past 3 years now. And so yeah. And also, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Josh. I make tutorial content. I help people to go on social media, on YouTube, and all those cool stuff. And if you're interested in those type of stuff, then make sure to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on so you won't miss anything that I'll be posting in the future. And so yeah, Venomation, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So personally, my first tip for you guys is do not have random numbers on your channel username. You don't want to have random numbers on your username, for example, like Brent Vlogs 5678910. Don't do that. It looks childish and stupid in my opinion. I'm not trying to be harsh. I'm not trying to be a harsh person, but that's just my opinion. I don't want your guys' channel to look like you have a bunch of random numbers on your username. No, I don't like that. But yeah, you can put like numbers on your name. You can put like 1 to 2 numbers on your name and that's good. But don't go too far like Brent Gaming 02589. Like it looks childish and no one wants that. And I don't even know if someone has the intention to remember that type of name. So remove the numbers and pretty much stick to with the no numbers username in my opinion. And so yeah, I'm not trying to be a harsh person there. That's just my opinion in my opinion. And don't put random numbers on your username because it looks childish. It looks dumb. I'm not trying to be mean, but that's it. Just don't put random numbers on it. And so yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the next tip. So the next tip that I have for you guys is, for example, your name is like Trevor, and then put the type of content in your channel name, like Trevor Gaming or something like that. And I know that you might change your content soon in the future, so make sure to stick to one content because that's going to be part of you in your brand forever in your YouTube channel. So for example, Trevor, your name is Trevor, and then put your content you wanted to do on your channel. For example, Trevor Gaming or something like that. It depends upon you. Or also, don't do that, but you can also do like your first name and then your last name. That could be your channel because it's possible that no one has your name on YouTube. Like for example, Trevor Phillips. For example, no one has that type of name on YouTube, and you're the only person who has that type of name on YouTube. Then it would be good for you because no one can be replicating your brand or something like that. So it's pretty much. Also, you can put up your name, your first name, your middle name. For example, see, your first name, your last name. Pretty simple stuff. Forget what I said about the Trevor Gaming because you might change your content soon if you reach 1 million subscribers. Because a lot of people will look up to your content and not just you, or they will just look up your content and not for you. So make sure to try experimenting with your name. Also, you can use a name generator in different type of sites. I'm going to leave a link down in the description box down below on the best name generator for you and for your YouTube channel. And this is where Vsauce got his name, which is amazing. And so yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the next. So the third tip now I have for you guys is to not put the type of niche that you do on your channel. For example, you do like tutorials and gaming on your YouTube channel. Don't put that on your channel username. What if you grow bigger? What if your channel grows even bigger? And then you want to experiment with other stuff. Then it will just not look good. For example, Josh, and then I put my channel name Gaming Tutorials. Like, have you seen Josh Gaming and Tutorials new video? Like, it just sounds dumb and like just doesn't feel comfortable to say. So make sure to not put your channel topic on your username. For example, I'm gonna pick a name, Michael. For example, Michael Vlogs and Gaming. No, it just looks dumb. Please don't do that, and just stick to the type of username that has no random letters, random capitalizations, random numbers, and random channel topics on your username. Don't put the type of content that you do on your channel on your channel username, because it looks dumb. Make sure to remove that. I've seen my friend put his channel topic on his username, and I just thought, why did he do this? And then he removed it. Now it looks even more better, in my opinion. So make sure to not put your channel topic on your channel username, so it won't look dumb or something like that. And so yeah, pretty much, let's get right into the next tip. So my next tip, actually this is going to be the last tip, and this last tip is going to be, don't make your name too long. Because if you make your name too long, no one will have the intent to remember that long full name of yours on your YouTube channel. This mostly happens to commentary YouTubers, probably. Like, they would put like, I make commentaries, or Josh does commentaries, or something like that. Don't make your name too long. And this is what happens to like kid YouTubers. Like, for example, there's like 8 to 9 year old YouTubers who just on their tablets making videos. They will make your name too long, and they don't. Yeah, pretty much it will make your name too long. So I'm telling you right now, is to not make your name too long, because you want everyone, when I mean everyone, I actually mean everyone, your YouTube subscribers, other people, to remember your name. Because if they remember your name and they haven't seen a video for you a while, they can just go to the sub box, find your name, or they can just search up your name, then look up your videos, you know? So pretty much, I don't know what I'm saying here, just don't make your name too long. Make your name fine, good, or something that will make the person remember your name in their minds, and so they will never forget it because they saw it on your YouTube channel. And I did this in the past before. I have an old YouTube channel called Josh Gaming, and I deleted it because of its inactiveness, but the first name of it is like Power Gamer Master 113, and there's a bunch of things in there which is I despise. So yeah, don't make your name too long. Just don't make your name too long. And a point blank period, don't make your name too long. Pretty much. And so yeah, Venom Nation, I'm going to wrap it up there. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, then make sure to drop a big thumbs up to this video, because I would appreciate if you guys would do that for me. And also, I wish you guys have a very, very good Christmas and a happy New Year to you guys. 2020 is starting right now, and which is amazing. And I hope and wish you all guys the best for your 2020 goals and your dreams on 2020. And also, don't forget to follow my Instagram right there on the screen. And I've not been posting on Instagram lately, and I hope I can go back and posting to there soon. And also there on my screen, there's my Twitter, and don't forget to follow me there too. And also, if you're the same size as me, if you have like 5,000 subscribers, 4,800 subscribers or something, we can like collab and make a grow your channel video together, because I wanted to try collabing. Like, I tried to ask many people, but they have not made the videos yet that I asked them to. But yeah, and also don't forget to join my Discord server, which will be linked down in the description box down below. That would be very much appreciated. And pretty much, yeah, that's it. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want more videos like this, and if you didn't, make sure to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on, so you won't miss anything that I'll be posting in the future. And so yeah, Venom Nation, I'm going to wrap up the video there. And Venom Nation, have a good rest of your day. And Venom Nation, peace out.